मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। मेरे दोस्त ने भागकर शादी की। माई फ्रेंड eloped. माई फ्रेंड eloped. यह तुम्हारा रोज का नाटक है। इट्स योर डेली ड्रामा। इट्स योर डेली ड्रामा। मेरी जिंदगी में दखल देना बंद करो। स्टॉप इंटरफेयरिंग इन माई लाइफ। स्टॉप इंटरफेयरिंग इन माई लाइफ। क्या तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? डोंट यू फील शाय? डोंट यू फील शाय? तुमने मेरा दिन बना दिया। You made my day. You made my day. मैंने उसे मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया। I retorted him. I retorted him. मैं उसका चेहरा भी नहीं देखना चाहता। I don't even want to see his face. I don't even want to see his face. यह अंदर की बात है। It's inner secret. It's inner secret. हम अगली बस से जाएंगे। We will go by next bus. We will go by next bus. हम रास्ता भूल गए। We have lost our way. We have lost our way. मैंने यह जानबूझकर नहीं किया। I didn't do it on purpose. I didn't do it on purpose. वह तेरी भाभी है। She is your sister-in-law. She is your sister-in-law. बीच में मत टोको, मुझे बात करने दो। Don't cut in, let me talk. Don't cut in, let me talk. तुम्हारी नीयत खराब है। You have bad intention. You have bad intention. तुम हमेशा आलू ही क्यों खाते हो? Why do you always eat potatoes only? Why do you always eat potatoes only? अपनी जुबान तो खोलो। Loosen your tongue. Loosen your tongue. उसने बहुत बुरे दिन देखे हैं। She has seen very bad days. She has seen very bad days. मेरी जिंदगी का बस एक ही सपना है। I have just one dream in life. I have just one dream in life. क्या मैं तुम्हें बेवकूफ दिखता हूँ? Do I look like a fool to you? Do I look like a fool to you? मुझसे चालाकी मत करो। Don't play tricks on me. Don't play tricks on me. तुम किसको पसंद करते हो? Whom do you like? Whom do you like? तुमसे मतलब any concern to you? Any concern to you? कुछ करके तो देखो। Try to do something. Try to do something. इस पेज को फॉलो करके तो देखो। Try to follow this page. Try to follow this page. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। Thanks a lot to you. Thanks a lot to you. मुझ पर इल्ज़ाम मत लगाओ। Don't blame me. Don't blame me. मुझे शक भरी नजरों से मत देखो। Don't look at me suspiciously. Don't look at me suspiciously. जले पर नमक मत छीड़ो। Don't rub the salt in the wound. Don't rub the salt in the wound. मुझे बेचैनी हो रही है। I am feeling uneasy. I am feeling uneasy. नैनीताल में मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather in Nainital? How is the weather in Nainital? अपनी जुबान पर लगाम लगाओ। Control your tongue. Control your tongue. तुम्हें मुझ पे चिल्लाना नहीं चाहिए था। You shouldn't have yelled at me. You shouldn't have yelled at me. कहीं वह कुछ गलत ना कर दे। Somewhere he doesn't do anything wrong. Somewhere he doesn't do anything wrong. क्या तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा है? Aren't you getting? Aren't you getting? बेवजह जिद मत करो। Don't insist for no reason. Don't insist for no reason. मैं बाल बाल बच गया। I narrowly escaped. I narrowly escaped. तुम मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़ी हो? Why are you after me? Why are you after me? इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना। Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. उसे नौकरी से निकाल दिया गया। He has been fired. He has been fired. मैं तुम्हें गले लगाना चाहता हूँ। I wanna embrace you. I wanna embrace you. मुझे चाय शाय नहीं पीनी। I don't have to drink tea and all. I don't have to drink tea and all. पार्टी मेरी तरफ से। Party is on me. Party is on me. पहेलियाँ मत बुझाओ। Don't talk in riddles. Don't talk in riddles. गुब्बारा पिचक गया। The balloon shrank. The balloon shrank. तुम बहुत लड़ाकू हो। You are bellicose. You are bellicose. आपका क्या कहना है? What do you say? What do you say? आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? क्या कहा था आपने? What had you said? What had you said? यह क्या है? What is this? What is this? वह क्या था? What was that? What was that? बताओ वो क्या था? Tell me what that was. Tell me what that was.